Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to write Apex class in Salesforce. Make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, make sure that you are in your Salesforce development environment, and after that, you will need just to go to home or here in the quick find, we will need just to search for Apex. By going to Apex, we would find the Apex classes here. So by clicking on Apex class, we will be able to create a new one. So from here, you can just click on new and you will be able to start creating your classes. Otherwise, you can simply go to the developer console by going here to this bolt or setup menu, and we will find the developer console. We click on it, and from here, we will be able to start creating entities or objects for our uh, Salesforce. So from here, you will need just to click on new, and we will find Apex class. Give it a name, my class, and then I will click OK, and it will start creating class. So from here, you can start adding the method of your class. You can start giving it properties, etc. And basically, if you want to learn more about the coding or technical side of these classes, you can go to the Trailhead where they give quiz courses to learn how to create classes. So basically, for the creation of the class, it has been automatically. As you can see, there is the scope and the name of the class, and after that you will be able to start creating its method. And basically for the methods you will need just to give the type of the method and its name, and after that you can start developing the code for the method, etc. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.